Good morning, besties. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. So besties, today is on a Monday and I'm heading to school. Actually, I've woken up so late today. I really don't know if the lecturer will allow me to get in class. So let's rush. You've seen the situation of my house. Like, I'm not going to prepare anything. I'm not going to make my bed and do whatever. I'll do everything after I'm back. Yeah, it's my OOTD. Yeah, I'm doing this purple pants and this black top. Yeah.
Ipoteza, right? Aperti, right? Yes. Bengali is pushing, right?
I'm back, besties, and I even forgot to open my window before leaving. Besties, imagine I got all this kumawiki at 20 shillings. Like, a whole this one was 10 bob, then this one was 10 bob, was like 10 bob. Yeah, this itawaisha kweli. Anyway, let's cut this and cook lunch. I'm very hungry. Besties, this is a lot. I just want to cut like 10 leaves, then cook. Then the rest I'll boil and cook maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Hi besties, how are you all doing? Mi niko poa, but actually si sana. Yeah, si sana. I woke up today not feeling so good and I didn't even go to school. Yeah, I was having one class today on a Tuesday and I didn't make it to class. Yeah, I have just been sleeping. Woke up later, revised a little bit. So right now it's 16:50. It's almost 5 in the evening. I want to go to the market and get some beans. I've just been craving like githeri, but I've decided to get beans. So I'll go get some beans, then prepare it with rice. Yeah. See you on the other side.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Speaking Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
Finally besties, I'm back. And let me tell you something yenye nilisahau kuambia before nitoke nikienda market. So ule jirani wangu wa makelele, if you've been watching my vlogs, you know I've been complaining of jirani wangu fulani mwenye amekuwa akinipiga kelele, yani kelele na music usiku watu wakilala. So unfortunately amehama guys. I'm so happy. Yani Mungu tu amesikia tu maombi yangu guys, and I've also prayed whoever will come next asikuwe wa makelele kama yeye, akuwe tu humble tu kama sisi tu, like hajue kuishi na watu. Anyway, let's unbox everything that nimekuja nayo. Yeah, let's unbox. I got bread. Mi si mtu wa bread, but being that I bought jam, najikaza tu ni kule bread iishe. Yeah, meaning kama kuna jam naweza jikaza kukula bread. So I got this white bread and I got these 2 avocado. Yeah, at 10 bob each. I got sugar. And finally besties, I went back for layer. I really love this maize flour. I also got cooking oil. Yeah, I got beans for supper. Yeah, I got Savannah orange juice. Yeah, of late besties I've been feeling unwell. You remember kwa hizo vlogs zangu za kupitapita, I've been feeling unwell again. Nilikuwa mgonjwa tena. I was told sina iron kwa mwili, so I was told nikuwe nakunywa vitu kama orange juice, kales, nakula spinach I mean, and meat, vitu tu kama hizo. So being that I love Savannah, I went for Savannah orange juice. And most importantly guys, whatever took me to the market ni hii. If you know me, you know I always use this aloe vera glycerin kwa uso. So ilikuwa imeisha and my friend had these cushions and like it wasn't working for the friend, so alinipea. Nimeitumia nikaacha. Juu mwili ilikuwa like mwili yangu tu ilikuwa inakauka tu, ningepaka kwa uso inakauka. Haya, I started using this other one here. This one. I started using this coconut oil. Oh, normally I always use it kwa nywele yangu, but I decided to use it pia kwa uso juu naona imeandikwa inaweza tumika pia kwa mwili. This was even worse. Like they were just the same. Uso yangu tu inakauka, mwili yangu inakauka, yani So this is what took me sana to the market today, plus this. So let's clean. I have some few utensils that I used at lunch. That's sufuria over there. this sufuria and the plate inside the basin. Hapo juu ni leftover ugali that I ate. Alafu hapo kwa sufuria ni ile mboga yenye nilichemsha yenye ilibaki jana. So I'll just wash the sufuria and plate plus that ndo ya unga. Yeah, I'll wash it. Alafu nieke unga. So stay tuned, besties. And if you haven't subscribed, please besties, subscribe and like. I'm so much grateful, guys, for those who watched my previous video. I'm so much happy, like hiyo video imefanya tu vizuri. I'm so much happy. I don't take it for granted. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Besties, I'm done. These are the only dirty utensils I had. So let's clean. Let's wipe hizo container ya unga na ya sukari, alafu tuzieke ndani, then prepare supper.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, it's beauty and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend of me. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on me. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend of me. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care,
Guys, this is lemon
just
grass.
be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend of
This
me.
one is almost done.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them.
Let me just put it here.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch the kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to not sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Let me just remove everything in here.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here
This
and
one
I'm
really helps me with
good.
storing my things, even though tangu nitoke home
Okay, miss you like an old friend.
na niekelee zile mapanya dawa hawajakuwa wakinisumbua sana, sijakuwa nikiwasikia yani. So,
I think it's hard how we always wait, not say.
I'll put it here.
How we watch and
Hata sizipika
forget,
uji
walk
inatosha.
away.
Na hii sidhani kama inaweza nitosha uji. I'll just put it here.
Let's live
I'll get another one.
water, watch it come and go home. I'll wait
Nitabadilisha. Nitabadilisha
like
huko.
sail away.
This one is I want to use
I just
right
don't
now.
wanna care.
Let me
Can you be here and I'm
use the
good
tomatoes.
alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call
These
up
two.
on them.
Besties, I hope hizi nini zitakuwa poa. This avocado, I hope zitakuwa poa. Ndio ameniuzia vizuri. Yeah. I'll eat this today, then this one I'll eat tomorrow in the morning before going for classes. So I'll store it there.
And if you want to read my mind, just go ahead. There's nothing to hide. I'm so depressed, I'm not gonna lie, but your problems are bigger than mine.
Just wash the utensils. They're not like many. Okay, besties, I'm so much hurt. Like I'm so much sad. Look at this, my beautiful bottle. Anyway, it's okay. I'll get another one. But sasa si kama hii juu this one I bought from a hawker. Yeah, mtoto alikuwa anapita. So sizipata hii kama hiyo tena. Sijaiona hii area naishi. Yeah. So let me clean. Then nioshe uso. Nilale. Get ready for tomorrow. And besties, the video will end here. Please, if you've watched up to this point, please don't leave without subscribing, besties. Subscribe, like, comment. It means a lot to me, besties. Yeah. So bye. Good night.